Ngisazile namanje guys. Ngisazile.
Mpura.
Yo! Ngisazilile marufa ku Pinky.
Mara she will show you.
Mfundi wow first time ngiba ugcina ukuthi azwe ikhekhe lami ukuthi ninjani. Athi khuluma.
Ima kancane.
Athoma wami siyakubala ngithi
uncle MC's man.
yeah so wami Thomas ngisatsho.
Ubani samlweli ke.
Ayike mnike.
Mphe station. Phela usilahle nawe uma kubuka ngiyaqhaza ngaso. Yebo. Awumlaqhaza umntwana ngisala.
Sigol ngisho mile.
Yes. Why
Come sign. So guys, it doesn't copy. Angizithandi. Oziyadlala lezi zinto.
Yo.
Mina ngifuna
celebrity crush wami it's uTos. Yo nomza. Nomona uTos guys ne. Tosi no focal extend. Oh, manya yo mshimalo. Hey guys, Michelle. Big no what? Big the bean. So today guys, on a Sunday, Gumnandi. Okay guys, I go by the name Obi O'Brien.
Hi guys, I'm Shad Etriye. Ni, you know what's up.
Hey banyana ke awuswalona awusneli on the block the topest of the rock head.
Is out.
Hey guys, it's a cross wash my music kodlela yakho la representing manje ngasho.
Okay, yeah. I should go and the baddest bitch in Tanzania. I gotta tell you, you don't already know what's up.
You already know.
You already know what's
okay.
up. So guys, today it's Sunday.
Sunday for lovers.
Sunday for lovers. So today it's Sunday. We wanna speak about Sunday.
Sunday.
There's so many alright. Like as Nelly said,
Sunday for lovers.
Okay, Bossy.
Sunday for everything.
Okay, Betty.
Sunday for church.
Okay.
Sunday for me.
Jay, okay. Sunday, Jay, you see, Sunday is a lot of things.
Sunday for what?
Sunday is a Sunday.
Sunday for God.
Sunday for God. Sunday for everything.
Yeah.
Sunday for the best meal ever. Sunday for
R&B.
So yes. So today's first topic, I think it's going to go there.
So guys,
Yes, Tamazan.
cause mina ngithe Sundays are for lovers, right?
Okay.
So ukuyangani guys, in a boy, do you go for looks? Like yes.
Nah, I do go for looks.
I go for looks. Why do you go for looks?
And what do you you do go for looks, like, and what do you like ubhekane endodeni? Ufunani? Ukuze ubheke
for me, okay, I cute because I'm cute. Ngijele ngofana omubi.
Angeke.
Ngizongihleka like ngiyabazi labo sis. Bayahlekana, ngiyahlekana nayo so I can't. Noma lapha aba cute.
Yeah.
I go for looks.
I go for looks, but I also go for the ugly boys, the bad boys.
Yeah.
And yeah, I go for looks, but bad boys, but normal looks, not cute. I'm about cute babies. Baby faces. So I hate cute baby face boys.
I get you, baby.
I want you to see. You shouldn't be. Yeah. You're baby face. Baby face is shop, not no.
Not baby face. Look,
hey, for me, yeah, it should be a hunk, a bad boy. So, but not cute, like I don't want a baby.
Cause mara cute kakhulu.
Yeah.
Yabazi phela again, wazothi boyfriend cute.
No, I don't. It's not about that. It's just me that angithandi umuntu o cute tho. Angithandi baby face. Angithandi baby face. Ngifuna indoda. Like imani, you know.
I get you.
I don't want thing. Amatata yo. Anyway, amatata South Africa. Guys, ang big man. Actually, for me, I like athletic, man. I'm not like, healthy, athletic, a guy with
vision, but then I'm not yet to a point where I'm certain that's my type, because you know it's still, yeah, I'm still focusing so much on Yonela Berry. So yeah, but man, nice. Mina ngithanda ama European nge-job. Ngithanda ice cream. Yebo. Yo, I love it. You know guys, mellow guys. You know,
Yes,
namakhaladi.
Yo.
But hayilawa. Ngifuna laba bahamba isonto abo. Ngifuna okhule ekhayeni right.
Yeah.
Get your point. Okay, before I start, atibele level msana.
Ibele. Ibelela ka what?
DJ.
Yeah. Mina guys, mina in the team, I do have types, but like ngihamba nabafana aba angabi muhle nje, just normal, cause I ezo ubashila aba cute face nje bane ngwadla mzala. Bane ngwadla. Bane like banokudla nje. Ukudla nje like ukudla singakufuni, cause nothing bana debating, ba debate. Uthi like bana debating guys. Yo.
Mina I hate baby face. Nje bilanyas.
I do also.
Nearly on the blog.
So mina guys.
We need your own answer.
Yeah, ngithi ngiyasho.
Okay.
Mina guys, like I won't say I go for looks. But I prefer aba buff. Aba
Only has a posa.
Yes, girl.
Okay,
people like it too.
Alright.
Zap.
So mina like ngithanda abafana aba buff. Abe chocolates.
Okay.
Now we from yellow pony.
What is China?
Come sign. So guys, it doesn't copy. Angizithandi. Oziyadlala lezi zinto.
Yo.
Mina ngifuna umuntu ngiyazi ukuthi yabona lapha ngiyi-1 ngiyeke
Belela ka DJ.
Ngokuncane.
ngikhona lelilikazi manje.
Athi nomnikazi.
Lesikhathi benginganamnikazi manje seninomntwana.
Zav.
So guys,
Bangiyatana.
so mina guys like ngifuna nje labafana laba ya ngiyazi ukuthi like noma like amhlophe nje uyangibhora because uyabazi ngithi abantu black and white, so prefer nje abafana nami.
Bafana no
Chocolates
Like
in black and white fashion.
so like umfana omhlophe bese mina ngibe dark then uyabazi abantu uyazi kwada
Okay, man.
But like this wash
But why though?
because of
Combo mina phela.
Exactly, baby.
mina ngithanda leyo khombi yazi.
Mara like ikhomba khona ingabi that too bright kimi.
Hey.
Angithandi mina angithandi mina angifuni ivanilla mina angithandi ivanilla I like chocolate
like iba combo neutral, iba combo sentable, iba combo inevitable. Like cause must say
yeah it's inevitable
must say instructable. We are instructable. You breathe out of a
We keep on going.
I wanna hear nothing. Today I don't wanna hear nothing. I'm tired. I know what I'm speaking. Just the olden days.
I want to keep up to date.
No,
Waiting for the right moment. Let him finish.
Like nje ukudlula inkathi akudala nje bengisantutha bengifuna la kulethe vibe yabo today. I will speak my English ngamakhala I will breathe it.
That's a silver ox thing.
We are Baniga.
That coffee is a moistable, energize, like kick. It's simple biscuits.
Yes.
Simple bake. Cookie. Yeah, the simple cookie.
Yeah.
They prompted she a food.
Wow.
Okay.
Today.
Okay.
No.
Today ngingiphethela ama question ama
amathathu.
today njengale
We go further. Like crush ninja, I'm a crush wins.
Oh my god.
I'm a celebrity crush, you know.
Right, guys.
No, I don't even have.
You can start, y'all. You can go.
No, I don't even have.
Mina crush yami and then first I born yo. Yep, like it was before it was but no fun though. Like we youngster but na no like manje. Ay, kabado baphuma bayini. Scott's mapum. Scott yabo boss bathanda
So wait, owakho lo wethu.
Yeah, ask God
yeah,
now.
crush am Scott maphuma.
Chuma ayowethu sonke owakho.
Crush am.
Eyakho Scott, not Scott.
Mina
All the way to pay.
Listen.
Oh, I'm more different.
Wait, I'm still talking.
One.
Just give anyone like a chance to talk. Please give me a chance to talk.
Scott Mapuma.
Yeah, but no, guys, everyone can have a crush on day one. You know that.
Sharp.
As in, like a crush on Scott Mapuma. So I'm getting Jabuti in Keteba because Nina no Scott Mapuma. Shubuti get song 8 abeni su Scott Mapuma.
Mine is different.
Mabanga to Scott Mapuma Scott Mapuma uthatha isithembu ngamani kuba ugcina.
Hayi ngiyachange.
Ngiyangifuna by first life vision fuba ugcina ukuthi ayizwe ukuthi lesikhekhe leli.
First time ugcina.
Meaning
Ufuna wait first time uphinde like uwe ugcina.
Nathi ngifuna wow first life vision fuba ugcina ukuthi azwe ikhekhe lami ukuthi linjani. Athi khuluma.
Okay.
Crush yakho Chuma.
A young chummy like always nje. Ithande like
Lihasama watsi. Mwanyana ki lihasa.
Ibel.
La DJ.
Washo ngizama.
Yo ngiyamthanda yo like ngimfollow everywhere. Yo Instagram. Ni first like mina.
Yo, yawo first
Everything.
Ma posted ngithi ngishare isithombe sakhe ngithi ku story gadla.
Nje.
Gadla. Kiss. Oh be.
So mina guys, I'm a celebrity crush me. It's Utos. Yo,
Who?
the one who does the guys ne. Dosi no focal extinct. Oh, mwanya yo mshimani wa Pitori.
Like mina understand ukuthi
Like
abantu
obarine ke barata bang a re one frastana. Like it's
ara cancela silo.
ekere yo zongi ari
Sina.
Toko Pitori simonati like ne ni naye manje of course uchabi imali guys ayibo uyayidla imali guys so nginganzini ukubona ukuthi manje DJ Maphoriso manje seka uyidla imali nokamompela seka uyayidla imali angithi nona uthi be fresh so focalistic for me yo khona le na overload yo guys like focalistic is a smash and Utos cuz
Utos iveleke
Because you just to crush uncle what?
Uncle Vinny.
No, Chuma Uncle Vinny. But uncle like no.
Hayi ima kancane.
Chuma wami siyabala ngithi
Uncle MC's man.
yeah so wami Chuma
Well, some really
okay
but
Okay,
like
before
before. Abachumana like okay but pero ngokhuluma. Isani njombuza
Guys, wamanazi.
Sama
Nyamazi utumisiko.
Ngiyamazi mina utumisiko.
Siko.
Siko nyamazi like ichime makamna ngamazi no.
Animazi utumisiko. Nyamazi utumisiko. Ngibonisa yena yo muhle nizomsetha after.
Angasemsayi
Like me crush again.
Ngishaya.
Ngiyadala Chuma.
Muhle utumisiko. Kaza animazi lo osana ku TikTok. Serious.
Nyamazi shumlo pala bekathi chimke ngashare video yakhe ngiyenza ngathi ukukhuluma nami and stuff. Ayi. Chima anyakutshela.
Awufuna ukudlulwa yonke into.
Okay.
Noma umuntu ongamazi.
Ngiyakutshela.
Ayidlule. Choma
Mbuze ke Chuma question. Mbuze question
ngaye question. I don't understand ukuthi ngibuza question yani.
Mbuze ngikhala something like
No, not for me. You are.
I'm not lying.
hey ngila
So wena ngamazi.
Anyway, yeah, guys. Yeah.
see.
Was ngitshela owam ngisazile namanje guys ngisazile
Mpura
umpura
yo
Ngizile marufa ku pinky. Uzile ngekhanda, uzile ngekhanda.
kuzila mina Chomi
uzila ayibo kanti bathi ukuzila kuye ngekhala
Ugqoka into ezimnyama njengosibosh makangizila.
mamelani sithandwa
Bathi magqoka umnyama uyaba.
ushone for how many years angithi sengiqedile lo mzilo mara for mina deep down sazila ngabe
Oh my God. Oh, ina phela maduba.
mara manje ngishintshile guys niyazi mara like khona lo ngiyembekile ihlo nayazi uMitch Mazibuko bekakhona
Oh, leyisitandi siyana. Ngishana lo like.
ngibona ngisho
Impela ka DJ, impela
ngiyuma leli
Ayibo thuma uyazi?
I didn't know.
Ushana nosomisi. uMitch Mazibuko.
ngeke phakathi sona izinto khona akangiboni
Usomgaga phela sesimakathini.
Phela sowugaga. Like usomgaga
inkinga usomgaga naye
nakathini
ngeke kuphele
makathi awusineli athi nje awusineli
lapha
uyamnyeka makasekathi awusineli ngila angeke uzongithini usangiyeka izolo
Utha udla imali phela. La udla ibele.
hayi ukuthi
la uzodla fresh phela lapha
udla istop usiku 65 degrees yeah
azange ngibuza ukuthi leso stop esinjani vele ngajapa ithu like bang guys listening yadingeka ne guys istop esiphekayo sake saba ku 360 no istop esibhekayo ku 360 sichoka kanjani istop esibhekayo
Yes.
like 360 degrees mina guys nangile
honey.
Like we steam.
Yes.
We everything.
Everything, baby. You want, don't look at me.
give
Look at the camera.
indoda into ayidingayo
bitch yo
ngibeka
lapha yo bukandi baba
Oh, why are you looking at me?
makathi mina ka
stop what you're doing guys on camera
nawa ngisho
No, ngisho ukuthi simamele wena yena ubheke mina.
bheka mina
Bheka umuntu okhulumayo. Hawu. Girl.
jabulanga ngiyathi
Hi, oh auntie what? And
anibambeni
Yenza adike babathi adiwenze njani?
Noba yangikhonza nje because ngimuhle thu.
Ja, busho bana babenza ngathi mara.
mayibambi she will show you something she will show you something
But
His
he
outfit to me on bomuli babonise mara bas
mara she will show you
uvela
ngitshekile ngathi uzonishowa what
Show you what?
mophakama iba ibheli iba nganyana like just phakama usafe
Bari ngwanyana ki?
wehle u6 bese mawuhlala phansi ubuyintomzane like just respect your body just take into ovale ngayo wadla bese uthi wadla
Okay, noted ke girl.
yeah noted sharp angithi ngikupha ama corrections vele
ntomazana ungazosukuma ithini khona
yeah
Yes.
jika
Ngwanyana.
ndula phathi
Ngwanyana. Ngwanyana who?
yabona usiboshiya
Ngwanyana what? Ngwanyana me.
makan guys makangicala nibe honest nje ngicala ningangibheki usibosha ukufakile esikoleni ngizala shara
Ufake kanti emskoleni.
hamba
Esikoleni was. Nasi lesibafakile.
mama guys okay sharp esikoleni sophama
Tuphama.
yeah masikisi mzala ngoba ibeka nje
Ngidala ngiphama.
Bosinke ngothuthana masters. Ukona la mastala mawusa eclass. Mnike.
mpheste sho phela usilahle nawe ngimabuka ngiyaqhaza ngaso yebo awumlaqhaza umntwana ngisala
Sigol ngisho mina.
excellent good yezanga excellent
athi mina nasho ukuthi graduation
Graduation.
yeah graduate ukuthi when it's a house to stand up not to show it's all wrong
Yes.
because you're showing up it's all wrong
stand kule topic nje yabo tsoponki what up and down
kuparitsweng yeah next question
So
it's a trick questions
okay, yeah, good question. I was nearly on the one.
Mangala ma question akho abe maybe
Alright, for
Did you show me
Ngikholetha ngakakhulumi nokukhuluma.
so guys siya ku surgery manje okay but surgery is free right now
Okay.
in South Africa
All right.
I mean take it obvious you want to stand
Okay, let me start.
I will examine the question Chakhele
Darling.
Confere to you,
Ivo
You bambi.
wakho amashule ezume kancane
ungagijimi kakhulu ngoba uzowa.
Exactly.
So like okay now again take and everything is for free guys. Free. Yini into yokuqala ozothi nje mawuthi uyavuka uyicabanga ukuthi ayile
Whatever like nyash.
Leni nakinya.
BBL.
I get a mali
Why is it nyash?
I don't care.
Big Brazilian life.
Like in, I
I'm
don't
going
wanna
for the thick
Brazilian one.
Can
I wanna be
Sulani umntwana nakhuluma
side bougie.
Can I add ngaphendula nje because what I call
yeah
it.
Change.
yeah
What you changing just overnight? Mabati go.
ka na into like ifast lento le
Say chat.
I imagine
BBL fast.
BBL.
BBL
Fast. BBL. Uba tsayize BBL.
Please.
but I didn't pay for BBL nanomulele chum nanibanga septhungeni into BBL
Yeah.
I get you
For me, oh,
Obi
for me, I want sign bougie. Some bougie. Sign bougie.
I get you
Bougie.
Mara umekani masisense ukuthi ngathi nje igwinya nje.
Ay, bro.
awuyiboni le yapoti
I understand the body got
Listen,
sign.
mzali
No.
guys.
Bengathi sign
Usini makhathini. Ngiyamazi.
Mara
Matho usini makhathini.
no
mara polba uye. Usindi makalo yana. Mara inke ukuthi it's like usindi. Oh, chumi lawyer ne. Yeah. Chumi inke yes.
guys Obi akazazi
Macho usayen bheka Thomba bayenze
Mina ngobheka,
Macho
ngobheka.
bonke bayenza into eyi-1 ema-BBL with noma esesingathi ngingafani yabona like Thomba waza ngitshela
Uthula iphongolo,
wena uchoose
Kumele umntu wena ngithi question yami.
DJ Maphorisa
Uthula iphongolo.
that yabona la ma-BBL lawo if eka-sign bougie i-on into nguthi wena uyicompare nabanye abantu
No, usayini ukuthi akayizela uyenzela eSouth Africa.
but i-BBL
but the BBL is giving
nje
it's giving that girl
Show me
Hey,
back.
no
Nala for mina
Khuluma lo-OB before igwinya loba ku-OB but as long yena awuzabe ufila
Yeah, no-sign bougie.
mara akanambonisayen aya kwi-gym ayim
mara for mina
and more vele
Beke hao.
uyishimela the more you are stable uzokustopha ukuba gwinya bese
And in front of like the complexion like you want bleach like
athi ngiyamazi yomzala since ngahlangana naye uyifuna kabe ukuba mhlophe
eqalela orange.
okay yonela baby
Oh, Mina guys, I don't think I'll change myself. Hey, I can get breasts and maybe a Gucci, but then my body, I'm sorry, this petite body, it's a model body. It's supposed to be like this. I don't want extra ass. I don't want extra hips. I'm perfect. I'm more than perfect. You know. And if I'm gonna get a BBL man, you understand? So my body, I'm perfect with it. I'm perfect. I love it. No, to me, you don't feel like I'm bikini even. I'm full of bikini shirt. Slim take, I want to put more slim take alright, so
natural now.
I'm from BBL. Man, I told you, Belly. I'm sorry, my face. I can never. My face, I'll never touch it. So, I'm challenging chips.
You can also win a question now.
I'm adding on top.
That's how you
You add at the end when she's okay.
Like explain like sharp so
Mr. P.
then I'm
Mr. P.
then I'm like it's like Chinese.
wide.
Yes, then like give so then I'm a lips like I'm a lips like
Shows when you're doing a full face.
Like
Your face.
facelift
Not facelift,
like everything. Like
it ain't lifting.
think it's a new
before
phase.
before
So kusho ukuthi u-Adela angashintsha everything kuye. Khona into engayifuni like everything.
Yabona ma i-lifting masogugile ufuna ukuthi le lifting when I want a new phase.
Yeah.
Okay, thulani ngitshela into ufuna. Shothi lo mzimba nje akawujabuleli. Uyashintsha everything.
No,
Like,
for now,
if there was.
But if like
Oh, ngawushintsha everything.
like mangivume like ngivume like yeah
Iyavuma letho nayo. You know the vibe.
I was daily wise on the block asivuma everything is up.
Hey, yo. Mami's. Let's drop pace.
Kanan buya kimi.
Hayi
Phela mama.
Ayidlulani.
Oh.
Guys,
hi Barbie doll.
Okay, jab.
Guys.
Okay,
guys, niyabona mina ne.
hayibo
Hayi
ukuthi
ukuthi
vele sibe ngespeed.
No,
Mina
but
ngifuna-
wait, can I talk something?
Bakho
Mangamele khulume nina. Like nayigcizelela nakhuluma bakamna makamele ngikhuluma isikade eside yina ngivimba ukuthi ngikhuluma isikade eside that's why ngithi jump.
No, you know what?
It's event. Yazo athi ubeke kanjani?
It's fine.
Uqedile ukukhuluma amaqeda abiza igama lakho.
Akalibiza ngama lami.
Utheni manje?
Hakuthuni.
Utheni?
Okay, sports baby. Khuluma
Wathi
Mina ke ngithi teacher me ipha unalthing.
Okay, now
So guys, like mina angifuni lawa ama-BBL like a dramatic, you know, like the malo body. Ratos like ngato ngumalo. La body like akusile dramatic. Ile engathi umzimba wakho straight ayibonisi ukuthi nje uyenza. Yeah, maybe yeah, uyenzile rato ngumalo. Dala futhi la
Bangathi natural umzimba wakhe.
yeah, ile ngifuna ngifuni le thole manje ngathi
vaping kids.
uthola ukuthi la manje sengiyisquare.
Yo,
I just feel this
a
way.
lot of people want to be shaped like Faith Katie, but no doctors can ever make that shape. Like into BBL, they can make your hips wide, but you will never
find that.
Be
born faith.
Faith is faith.
Faith
ID is ID.
Faith
Why
is me.
will faith?
Like,
Yeah, I want to be a say gosh that
Yeah.
behind the camera.
And then like ikakhuluma soshaya le yakhe dog vele.
You know, it's anyway.
Yeah, straight imzala like.
I'm a try.
Kuba like ile yangwapi.
Yeah.
Uvele vele yangwapi.
Ma wakhiwe sheminto bazali wakhiwe Jesus.
Ibhuku ubuzo.
Mara ngiyokuthi mina ngabe ngithanda
Ngiphela
ukuba
amaflava akho,
ude
Faith.
from RSA Andy's fashion. Ngiyamthanda like ukuba isitufuza. I would like that kind of nice body. The bomb. She's naturally BBL. Yo,
No, she's doing good for herself because she has everything, you know. The body is so.
Oh my God, it's
the bomb. Even after ngisafika ku Instagram first time ngabona the bomb. Yeah. Yazi osangena ku Instagram for the first time. Ngabona nje. Chonga seva zokuthumza.
okay guys, let's make another bomb. Masiza ukuthi uzochaza umuntu okay like influence like lo muntu lo ngathi yabona manje abangathi ubani umuntu ofuna ukuba kuye like behind ukuthi unjani in like life ayiphilayo yeah like when ungakhetha bani Sibosh
Can you please repeat your question?
okay Sibosh like nalithuba manje like maybe like masiti abo like bonke labatlala like ama influencer ama in bawebeke behind the cameras like awaboni then bathi Sibosh mamizi wena ufuna ukuba ubani
Ngifuna ukuba modelings.
Zap.
Awucabanga i-trick.
Trick batla bo-modelings like banele ndaba. Nje ngivele ngithi
Ngani?
like banele ndaba like ungipha everything. Yabona like a vibe. Ngiyothi i-vibe yakhe i-vibe
yakho.
It's giving my vibe. Mangimbona like yena ngibona like ngibona mina. But ngathi mina mangibona mina ngizibona nginguye. Like to me, everything gabanele ndaba, it's me. Oh, like everything gabanele ndaba, I'm her. Yeah. Yeah, ngoswash mamizi nyoba uswash mamizi modelings. Nje ingane ka modelings. Yeah, job. Pretty.
Yo, kasi ngatulia mia pores. That's something.
Okay. Obi.
Okay, so mina umuntu ophila ilife yamanje nje like umuntu engiyambona ayini like engifana naye ngathini I think it's a lot of people yo it's
Isho
also
lo ophezulu kakhulu omthanda
lo
kakhulu
nje igama ezophuma qala engqondweni yakho mzala
lo mthanda kakhulu nje
engimthanda kakhulu inkinga ukuthi akusi gay like it's almost
Joma kumelanga vele kube gay
it's okamompela and like I just liked
lady do
and it's okamompela you know why it's okamompela
why
like she started from the bottom ne she hustled I followed her from onset from MC sports scene she worked hard for this so nje those hustle and no killer cow just having that thing to have a killer cow and boost so and the life she's living now
is very different from
she like
everything.
you know and Uncle Waffles like from Adiwele from whatever she's now those girls are living it's Gamu and Uncle Waffles like those girls like Uncle Waffles saying are you baby enzima like she's you know she's just getting to the point that she's owning the stage you know she like in the Kamampela and Uncle Waffles those are my role models like from you know, it's not like I just love ukuzimela kwabo imbokodo lezi like abosisi abaziphethe you know njengokaMomphela naye she was so in the right and at the time ngimnotha you know she makes sure ukuthi naso sikhathi ayenza ingoma nokhila kawo she makes sure ukuthi she wants more abobusiswa abosabawe lipiano no vocalistic like the girl was running, you know.
She
doesn't wanna fall, and that's me. I don't wanna fall. The moment I know I'm on top, I never wanna go down. I have to make sure that I'm going. Like you can't be here, then sasa ubila, you know. So those people, I think in mindset yabo for me, it's Mayana. I'm here, and I don't wanna be here tomorrow. I wanna be there. So. Like mindset yabo now when I look at the industry whatever they've done it's top notch for me so ngiyabathanda boyithu
yeah mina nje
you wanna add
okay
like after Juma I died after
that's why I'm being
mina sekukhohlele yona lapha basingithi singazuthi ngifuna ukwenza
robot yakho Juma
like umuntu life yakho like
so far mina force like ngihlezi ngibunika iminathi so amazi ukuthi ngisho bani mara like ngifuna like amazi ngithinyas
like Juma umuntu ophila life yakho uyeke ophila like life oyifunayo
I think maybe last season yeah yo sengikhuluma
Banyana mina eyam singivulele nendlebe eyam ophila ilife eyam ya next year ayini ngiyayizwa nje le life ila lerato malo baby
yo manyana
squaba
baby
like ugel ne like I feel like naye uzimele because bekunalento lokuthi umuntu omnyama angikajulele umuntu omhlophe
and I'm khona ipoint from bibeka
ulerato ukwazile ukuthi nanoma abantu bamgudla bathi umnyama kanje uyimela kanjani lo emhlophe in mara uyimele le cabanga 50k for go and celebrate vacation to Dubai go and celebrate kanjani wena bakeep mina ngikhuluma nje nokhithwa niye mall
kodwa date nje
always two namazoba my boys kasomgola
ngwanyana
yo
ngwanyana ke walk
ngwanyana ke bukwata something
ngwanyana ke crop top
ngwanyana ke belly piercing ngwanyana ke belly
ubona ke apere crop top kaifila ukasiplosa confidence ka apere crop top
never
actually look at his so it's never we with confidence ka apere crop top ngeke
edela ke mina msana ngwanyana ke belly piercing
ngwanyana ke everything
ngwanyana
like about ukakhisone confidence booster
yeah like nalento lokuthi ngwanyana ke miniskirt ungathi wena amathanga akho amabi uzotshaja abanye abantwana
Barungwanyana ke rompa.
abanye
Barungwanyana ke rompa. Ngwanyana ke kukuru.
angaqedi nange
Gogo.
so namuntu kagiso ne like nanoma yabona bahlukene kunabo kamu coachela but ukagiso phambili nanoma DJ ili nonsense ngiyamxolela shem futhi ngamxolela nanoma nje ngibonile la nonsense wena baby I love you
Ba bogata Nelson kopa umlate ka koloi ya hao utle ko yena
Nelson ke motsebi Nelson ke
Awusimeli what?
I was really on the floor gaskisini yo aish I was really on the floor
Yo ngiyamthanda shem kagiso
kopa umlate ka koloi ya hao utsamaya le yena lo etsa vlog njengosiwe ayenza ivlog athi Nyawo I spoke for today uthi Nyawo awusneli for today nawe banele ndaba I hope you do so but ezu opa ashilo athi
ngingidemand shem abafuna basilezi
Uncle wa.
ni uncle wa futhi mina
Yo, manyana kipedi.
Manyana kipedi
You know.
Ngifuna ukuyela ini.
itu umujama askisini
Mina ngithi kutabora my role model is me, guys. So it's me, honestly. I feel like it's me because I'm so proud of the person I'm becoming. You know, I'm learning so much from myself. I don't need anyone. I don't need nothing. I don't need to see from people. I don't need to look up to people. I don't need to credit anyone for what I do. I'm my own model. I am my own role model, and I want to be Yonela Betty in the future. So I'm you know, that's why I think it's boring. So yeah, I'm just Yonela Betty for Yonela Betty.
Yonela Betty, the better speeches in Mzansi.
So guys, touching.
And where are you?
I wanted to add on the thing of like necessity. I looked up to Kamumpela. It's of course more cool. Like babona labantu like from Amanini and stuff. Kamumpela she ukabona ama rumors ukuthi bebathi uthola no Kilakawu uthola na bebangajoli chomi no matter ayenze ngoma no focalistic
ufana nalapha wabonile nawe ama rumors lapha yena notosi kuyim
you know ugeli ne bebazama ugeli bebazama
dai focalistic utosi choma bajuli lapha yakhe it was a music video
ama music
okay so music video mabathi iban touch kwamele touch
it's not about being
okay attention ukuthi bonke umuntu ayibukele music video you know
like kufana nokuthi
they were not dating. I thought they were dating.
Yeah, you thought so
umuntu like if shukuthi wonke umuntu ayenza na music video shukuthi
no
sizocabanga leyo nto
mina into engicabanga yazi why ngisho kanjalo I just like ukuthi usimele you know
anyway the breast baby
ibelela ka
yabona mina I just like to come phela uzimele and then she ends like she's just focusing on the bag, you know, just making her future look good, focusing on her own thing, making growth, networking, because of course when you're an artist you need to network with other artists. So I just liked nje yonke into, you know, everything, and I totally understand the industry and I want to be in it.
So mina
ngakufuna bangavakazi inside
uzobanga phakathi
inside like inside
so we add leka ubi ka Kamuphila guys like uKamuphila wakhulisa no Razor Steezy like wamthatha from lesa script yakhe lesa bebejive beka manje
and what I liked about her it's like me, you know why I stopped dancing, guys, man. I just, you know why I had also her mindset the time she said I was promoting people's songs. It was the time she had an afro. Not an afro, but this kind of weave in Brazilian. So on that other interview, she said, "Oh, excuse me, guys." So she said, she's promoting people's songs. She wanna dance to her own tunes. So it's like the thing was like, okay, this I did because she's dancing to Ingoma Zake, you know. She ain't promoting other people because she also wanna be an artist. So she, you know. Just the thing. You know, that's why you know, like because like ngathini besicabangilanga yabona mina ne besenze group work besifunda class
share lento
into you know so ilento lokuthi you wanna own it, you wanna dance to whatever you're doing, like inale walk isiyenzayo we wanna walk to artist maybe art because she's our friend, you know she also wants to walk to her own shoes, you know, to her own, you know, that's what I want.
And the chuma abanye bayabhora cause uthola ukuthi wena izabe ingoma yazi support, you know, but eyakho akeke nanoma ungathi uyabheka kakhulu ngeke yakho ayisupport ngoba ngeke ayijayivele.
So yeah, I think
bala kanjalo for today.
Just hold the fuck on.
Oh, I got pink lemon.
What were you talking about? Music, right? So in terms of music, I feel like in terms of music, you don't have to be a bitch that goes yourself and do everything for yourself, because I feel like at this point, music, guys, you gotta do your own shit. Girl, you gotta be original. Trust me. And one thing I've noticed is that as much as in any industry, as much as music, in any industry in the world, you cannot. There's something called copyright. Like, can you see that?
Yes.
You know those things. A beat of a person, you cannot do a beat on credit. Have you seen that, right?
Yeah, because
you cannot take something from someone and not credit them, right?
Strange.
So that's the thing with music. It needs you to be original, like from the get-go. Even the beat, it has to be unique, so that Sasa, they don't take down your song if your song is growing big. Because artists, they can do that. They can say because your song is growing big, or just like what Doshi did recently. There's a song Anxiety, whatever she released a long time ago. So what was trending was the sound of a remake that another guy made. But then now, because she saw it's trending, she released the official song. So it's taken away from the streams of the actual person who like did it after. Besides nobuhle bayo nje, but besides bekwe yakhe ivocal, but it's like, you know, bakhulumile kahle. But ma trend leyo party ukhiphe yena uvela wazikhiphe original. La party yakho uvela wayikhipha sekungoma yonke. You understand? So sonke
le wena oyithanda kakhulu uvela wayikhipha yona nje akhipha la
besides I kanjalo, but ukhiphe ingoma yonke like uvela wayirelease online because beku YouTube page. So what I'm saying is that basically, like, when someone owns something, you can't take it, you know. Op is right, like yabole music futhi yengifakazela kakhulu, because even me, like music, okay, musically I won't talk about music if I haven't released anything. That's the thing that I'm planning to do. But then either way, music, guys, she's right. Like music, you have to do your own shit.
Yeah. Music videos
I do have a song, and I just haven't recorded. I do have a song with an original beat. I do have a freestyle as well.
Show me freestyle.
Magic. I'm sorry.
Why?
Oh hell no. Anyway.
Cause ngayishintsha nibeke ngesizulu nengozi.
Besides not only being but
originality.
I do have freestyles, you know. I do.
Let's see that.
So I have freestyles, but then like my freestyles, I write them down.
Okay.
Basically, you know, if I'm gonna think of a word, I'm gonna write to it. I'm not gonna just spit to it, because I don't want to spit something wrong or words that has gone with that. So I do have a lot of freestyles, but then, you know, I ain't gonna release any until I get a producer, you know, because bitches copy out here. So, you know, you gotta keep your shit safe, you gotta keep your shit intact, you gotta keep your shit original. So yeah, music, it's a good topic.
Be original, bitches.
Be original, bitch.
No, bitches.
You know,
I got your
anyway,
points.
Yeah, guys, music.
My dear. Because I'm also to my dear. My dear.
Darling.
Yeah, guys. Okay. My dears, like in a
yeah, because bengifunda ngale ya ngibize kyani or like bengifunda like lento lokuthi makaphuma entabeni Bengifunda from that sound.
No, Chomoza ngitshela.
That's all different spelling. You know,
Bengifeel
like, they keep up
My
English. They keep up English. Good dear.
Oh,
You understand?
we'll keep it there.
Yes, keep it close. So I'm
Mfana
my
ukuthi,
my
yeah.
dear. You're both batting in change.
Well done.
Dad.
Yeah, get
Okay, so guys, we're closing it up. We're closing up. What of the day?
Learn to tell the team
What
originality. Anyway, let's continue.
Word of the day, be original, bitch.
My dear.
As I will say, I'm a baddie. I will always stay as a baddie. I'm not a patient. I'm a baddie.
DJ.
But
Shut.
yeah.
Job. Adi.
Okay, love yourself, guys.
Ishaya.
That is time. They also adding bewele. Adibeleliwe. Obi.
Guys, I'm gonna tell you what of the day. Like, guys, support abangani benu. You know,
On my
support
forever
your own
that too.
friends. Support your own friends, and
Beautiful.
and like, you know, if umngani vele uzomhliza umsupport us everything, you know, boost each other's confidence. So
Supporter ke ukuthi Tuesday.
so yeah, so yeah.
Oh,
Bye bye.
You're not
Okay,
baby.
I'm one of the things. Okay, Sharp, Evelyn.